Guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Yes, it's November. It's that time of the year where we have Black Friday sales, and I think our in-house brand Nykaa has one of the biggest Black Friday sales in the beauty space. I mean, since it's the biggest brand, it has to be a quite a huge sale. And yeah, I mean, there are two major sales on Nykaa every year. So first is the hot pink sale and the other one is the Black Friday sale. Pink Friday sale, sorry, not Black Friday, it's the Pink Friday sale. So yeah, pink is the keyword for Nykaa. So we are going to have some major sales, and I have a few things that I want you to understand, for you to keep in your mind before you invest, you buy stuff. So yeah, let's get in the video. Let's go. I have like 5 or 6 major points. This is not a recommendation video. I mean, there will be so many recommendation videos out there once the sale is going to, go up, and there will be people who will be getting paid to make these recommendation videos. It's on you if you trust them or not. I am not doing the recommendation thing. I am just giving you a few steps, a few pointers for you to remember, because listen, there is a very fine line between splurging, spoiling yourself, and being a smart buyer, still splurging and spoiling yourself. So, at the end of the day, it's your money. You can spend as much as you want, but I would say spend it thoda sa dimag chala ke. So the first pointer that I have for you is, in sales like these, avoid your regular brands that have the sales very often. For example, Nykaa's Wanderlust range and everything, they have sale like Sara Saal, right? Their prices are almost the same as they will be on this sale. Or let's say Nivea में बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं आता, या इवन स्विस ब्यूटी पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट नहीं आता. इस तरह के प्राइस यू कैन सी पूरा साल, नॉट जस्ट ऑन नायका, बहुत सारी अलग अलग एप्स पे, इफ़ यू विल चेक दैट आउट. सो यू डोंट नीड टू इन्वेस्ट इन सच स्मॉल ब्रांड्स जो आपको कोई बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ी ह्यूज डील नहीं दे रहे. सो दिस लीड्स टू द सेकेंड पॉइंट. किस ब्रांड पे इन्वेस्ट करना चाहिए? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, you should invest on the brands that will give you the major deals. For example, Huda Beauty में I have seen 50% off तक चला जाता है, right? So that is one thing. MAC जैसे brands, जो बड़े बड़े brands हैं, जो costly हैं normal day के, उस पे the luxury brands, I would say luxury brands do have some quite good deal. For example, Smashbox पे free के बहुत सारे samples मिलते हैं, या even MAC पे it's like buy 2 get 1. Bath and Body Work पे भी you can get like a buy 2 get 2 free, 50% off, इस तरह की sales. These are the brands you should tap in. So if you are going to save your money from the very first thing, Swiss Beauty और इस सबसे आप थोड़ा बहुत पैसा जो भी बचा लोगे, you can invest in a bigger brand. So that is that, right? Now, another thing. I told you that Huda Beauty does have a good discount and everything, but at the same time, if you see products at very, very huge discounts like 50% off, buy one get one, do not forget to check out the expiry date. This is the third point. Properly check it. The expiry date should be given on the Nykaa ki app. Check it from there. Also, when you receive the product, do check the expiry date tab bhi, so that if you think the product is very near to the expiry, return it. And yeah, expiry date say another point that I want to add is, if you see, like right now you are in 2022 November, and if you think the expiry is like July 2023, it's not worth it. Kam se kam it should be like 2024. एक साल में you cannot, even if you buy like one single lipstick, there is no way आप उसको एक साल में खत्म कर लोगे. You have to eat the lipstick to physically finish it up. You can't do that in like 1 year. For example, let's say you are buying a mascara that is going to expire like next November 2023 में. So mascaras are good enough to be used like 6 months की range में, so that is okay. Mascara buy करो, you will finish that up within that time frame, or even if you don't finish it, it will expire soon enough. It would not be good to use, so that is something which is okay. But for example, there are products like let's say a compact powder or a foundation, you can't use them within like a year. ऐसे नहीं होता, बहुत कम लोग हैं जो उसको use कर लेंगे like एक साल में. Listen, I do makeup religiously because I'm working towards this thing. अभी भी मेरे पास 2 साल पुरानी foundations पड़ी है. I haven't finished them yet. ऑल्दो मैं इतना मेकअप कर लेती हूँ, सो अनलेस यू आर पुटिंग ऑन फाउंडेशन एवरी डे यू कैन नॉट फिनिश द फाउंडेशन विद इन 1 ईयर. सो मेक श्योर कि आप एटलीस्ट 2 साल तक ये एक्सपायरी कार लेकर चल रहे हो, अदरवाइज इट्स नो पॉइंट, राइट? कमिंग टू द 4th point, I think we're on the 4th point. Yeah, so if bigger brands, luxury brands like MAC वगैरह is not your journey, that is not what you want to buy, I would say go for the smaller brands, right? अगर आपको Swiss Beauty पे ही invest करना है and Nivea वगैरह इसी तरह की चीज़ें ही लेनी है, Pears and all of that, I would say go with kits and combos, क्योंकि उसके ऊपर आपको ज़्यादा ऑफ मिल जाएगा, ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट मिलेंगे कम प्राइस में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक मॉइस्चराइजर अगर 220 रुपीज़ का है ना, तो मॉइस्चराइजर, लिप बाम और बॉडी लोशन बड़े वाला में भी आपको 500 या 600 में मिल जाए. तो जब आप सबको हाफ करोगे तो शायद उसकी अपनी प्राइस से कम प्राइस का पड़ेगा. सो गो फॉर किट्स एंड कॉम्बोज. ऑल्सो जो स्लैश एंड सेव वाला होता है, स्लैश एंड सेव, वहाँ पे आपको ऑलमोस्ट 50% ऑफ तक मिल जाता है मोस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स पे. सो दैट इज़ व्हाट आई वुड से, इन 2 चीज़ों में से ही कोशिश करना टू बाय. So the last thing that I want to talk about in this segment would be brands like K Beauty. Usually Nykaa का in-house brand है K Beauty, so it does have quite some off. So ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको इसके ऊपर discounts मिले ही मिले, right? But there are brands like Elf जिस पे buy one get one मिल जाता है, right? So do check that out because brands, अलग अलग तरह के brands पे अलग अलग तरह की deals होती हैं and sometimes क्या होता है कि हर दिन के हिसाब से डील बदल जाती है. So अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अभी आपको Elf पे सिर्फ 10% या 20% का ऑफ मिल रहा है, वेट करो नेक्स्ट डे तक का, 50% ऑफ तक चला जाता है तो अगले दिन कोशिश करना उसको लेने की जब वो एक्चुअली 50% पे हो, राइट? बट फॉर ब्रांड्स लाइक के ब्यूटी 50% ऑफ नहीं जाता. सो अगर आप सोचोगे कि मैं आज छोड़ के कल बाय करूंगा तो उसका फायदा नहीं होगा, हो सकता है कल को उसका प्राइस और भी बढ़ जाए. तो अगर आपको किसी भी पॉइंट पे आके ऐसा लगे कि इससे ज़्यादा कम इसका प्राइस नहीं होगा, लाइक दिस इज़ द बेस्ट डील आई एम गेटिंग, बाय वन गेट वन नहीं होगा और इससे कम नहीं होगा, बाय इट इमीडिएटली, बिकॉज अगले दिन तक वेट करोगे उसका प्राइस बढ़ सकता है. क्योंकि नायका की सेल का प्राइस जो होता है ना, लिटरली वो बहुत ही डायनेमिक है, चेंज होता रहता है. सो डोंट वेस्ट टाइम. इफ यू थिंक दिस इज अ गुड डील, आई वांट टू बाय इट, ओके? दैट्स दैट. So yes, this is it for today's video, guys. I hope you will buy smartly, right? And if I find something else to add, I might put up some short or something, right? Yeah, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.